Hello and welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Ashish Parekh and these are the top 9 news from the world of science and technology.
Poco might soon be launching two laptop battery models with both MI and Poco branding. As per an AliExpress listing, the battery with model number R15B02W appears to belong to Xiaomi Mi Notebook Pro 15 that is available in China. Judging by the R14B02W model number, it could be for a 14-inch version of the laptop. LG may soon unveil a rollable smartphone. Even though there is no official word on when the phone will be available, a new leak suggests the possible pricing and launch timeline for LG's rollable smartphone. According to tipster Cozy Plains on Twitter, LG will price its rollable smartphone at 1,73,500 rupees approximately. India's smartphone market witnessed the highest ever on-year growth of 42% in October 2020, shipping 21 million units driven by online sale festivals and pent-up demand that carried forward from 3Q20, according to International Data Corporation India Monthly Smartphone Tracker. The position of the top 5 vendors in the market remained unchanged, and China's Xiaomi continued to remain the market leader, followed by Samsung, Vivo, Realme and Oppo. Instagram has announced 2 new features to help curb the spread of COVID-19 misinformation. Instagram has launched a prompt which will appear at the top of the user's Instagram feed, connecting them to health authorities such as the CDC, WHO, or their local counterparts. Also, when people search for terms related to vaccines or COVID-19, they will be directed to information from credible health authorities. As per reports, hackers who breached federal agency networks through software made by a company called SolarWinds appear to have conducted a test run of their broad espionage campaign last year. The hackers distributed malicious files from the SolarWinds network in October 2019. The October files, distributed to customers on October 10th, did not have a backdoor embedded in them. The Energy Department and National Nuclear Security Administration, which maintains the US nuclear weapons stockpile, have evidence that hackers accessed their networks as part of an extensive espionage operation that has affected at least half a dozen federal agencies. As the list of victims on the SolarWinds cyber attack grow, Cisco too has been added to the list. Some internal machines used by Cisco researchers were targeted, the networking equipment maker said. The company said its security team moved quickly to address the issue and that the affected software has been mitigated. US's newest military branch, which was officially established on December 20th, 2019, has decided to call its personnel Guardians. President Donald Trump directed the Department of Defense to create the Space Force when he signed Space Policy Directive 4 in February 2019. The Space Force was officially stood up 10 months later, becoming the nation's first new military branch since the Air Force in 1947. Alien hunters are investigating a mysterious radio signal from our neighboring star, Proxima Centauri, causing the biggest excitement since the WOW signal in 1977. A strange radio signal was first directed by the Parkes telescope in early 2019. It was a short-lived signal and astronomers can't identify the original source. Astronomers are looking to see if any human-made source could be responsible. The star is 4.2 light-years from the Earth and includes an Earth-like rocky planet.
So these were the top 9 news from the world of science and technology. Do let us know what you guys think in the comment section below, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to TV9 Digital. Thanks a lot for watching.